baby, can you focus on me?
Morning, never. I don't know why my fire looks so shiny, no? I don't know why my fire looks so shiny. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna on the road today alone again. So I have a few things to deal with on the road. So I wanna know how that go. No Chloe, no Zoe today again. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notification bell and all. And just enjoy the video.
Oh, you ain't 2 SM. Oh, you ain't ringtones. Oh, you ain't train on that bitch. Oh, you ain't ding dong. Oh, you ain't kingpin. Oh, you ain't wings in. Oh, you ain't hands on. Oh, you ain't seen it. Oh, you ain't demon. She not the demon. Yeah. Oh, you ain't king.
Alright, guys, I'm going to come in the supermarket to grab a bun and juice because I don't eat anything from morning. All I do is just drink some tea. Alright, guys, so I'm going to just grab biscuit, get pudding, and I'm going to go try and get a ginger beer, and then I'm going to go right over the ear just to crush it open already.
Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps were the facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money, I done gave it. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them what I in the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money, I done gave it. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, and these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Multi, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J, tell them what I
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder. Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say.
Alright guys, so this is pineapple chicken. We're eating
Will come through and chill. Just say you will come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing baby, saying baby, love it, shit. You know I'm crazy. So go ahead and pour a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, it's taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will come through and chill. 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 I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone. Yeah. It's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah, who am I?
Alright guys, so here I'm just get through over Christiana, so I'm going to try look at taxi and what's calling.
All the niggas round me, die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna come get a nail polish. I think I'm gonna get this one. So let me set this a red. Look at that mirror to fix up myself. My lazy. Guys, I am so in love with this color. I'm not lie. No joke about it.
You know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was two of me, or three of me, when it was you and me. I'm outside in it. All the niggas round me, gotta watch it.
Alright guys, so I just ran in one supermarket. I'm going to buy macaroni and I take up ramen because here one head a tear off. So me in one next supermarket, I try grab some chicken back in here so, and then after I go over, try to see if I can look after the ramen now go to drink because boy, I need a shower and then lie down in my bed and try to get some sleep because I am tired as hell. Tired bad. Like today was a hectic day on the road for me. You can imagine that? Like, and I didn't even get for the one someone make up on the road for do because of time and the time when we did the hairdresser it took me forever. Alright guys, I'm not much long reach home and really and truly, oh lord, so me just go get a fresh and me take 2 Tylenol tablets to try to see if you know it can help with my head because like really and truly me not really practice to take tablet like that because I don't know, me just can't bother with tablet. Like me think me take too much tablet. Me tired of tablets. So anyway, as I tell you now, me never get fido me if you go by the bank and me if you go sort out something, but really and truly being by the hair just take up my entire day. So me know say and next day now me have to go back over the bank and try to see if me can sort out what me have to sort out once and for all because it's an important thing for me to deal with. So oh lord, I mean nevertheless you know I'm gonna get me hair done. I still go over the bank and sort out something else differently. When you know when you not go bank when I have to go at them place extremely early and go sort out when I sort out. So, I don't know, I have to go try and get an appointment because I have to go to the NCB bank. So, but I know I have to go make an appointment in order to go there. So, because the people have changed up everything, like, I realize everything been changing recently. So, it's like you have to make an appointment. You can't just walk in to deal with certain things at the bank again. Well, this goes for NCB. I don't know if you go for every other bank, you all can fill me in and let me know. But for NCB, that's how it goes. So I have to go, after I finish, I have to go try see if I can go online and go make an appointment. So that's, you know, I can schedule the appointment to the day when I want. And then I try to see if I can sort that out and start out the next thing the same way. So it's what it is, guys. And so with me, I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna try to see if I can lie down and get some rest because I'm tired as hell. And as I'm saying, my head hurt. So this is basically the end of the video. So thank you all so much for watching the video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. So it's your girl Rush, and I am out until another video. Alright guys, so this is dinner. So we're gonna have some curry chicken back. Yes, curry chicken back and rice and peas. So I'm gonna eat dinner now.